Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you all are enjoying this holiday season, and a Merry Christmas to you all, and a very Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm truly grateful for all my subscribers. Thank you so much, and keep showering your love. And to all the new people watching this video, hi, my name is Mrudul. I make travel videos, cooking videos, vlogs, and painting videos. You can check it in my previous video. Today's video is all about makeup. Let's get into the video. Okay, so my makeup is done here. I've just applied my foundation and my concealer, and now I'm just my makeup is done. I'll just quickly apply my eyeliner and then I'll apply my lipsticks. Okay, so just done with my eye makeup. Quickly just gonna put my lipstick. Just gonna mix it with some other color. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.